RELN's got a fantastic product range of stretch ag pipes. Now what you're looking at here is 100 mil and 65 mil. 8 meters long, 7 meters long. It comes with a sock or without. Now with the sock, that's got the little perforated holes in it where it'll pick up the water, finds the void, and you can move it away from your problem spot. This one here without a sock doesn't have the holes in it, and it works just like a traditional pipe would. So this one will pick the water up, this one will help you move it away either to a pit or to your stormwater. Now as far as how it works, here I've got a shorter length of it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to stretch. How much fun is that? But you can make bends, you can make S's, in fact, you can make anything you want. And it works just as well as any other ag pipe on the market. Now you don't need corners because you can make the bends, but you do need T's if you want to run off another line and continue it that way. You can also get adapters, so one goes into another to continue your line, and end caps. Now if you're a DIYer and you want to pick up the storm water from your downpipes and move it away, here's a great little also expandable attachment. This attaches to your standard downpipe, and you can create any bend you like to pick up any pipe you like. Simple and easy, and you didn't have to call a plumber. So if you've got a great big drainage problem and you need a heap of these, the best thing about it is you don't need to buy a ute or a truck or worry about getting a delivery because it's compact and light and easily fits in a car. With this stretch ag pipe, you can solve a ton of problems at home, all thanks to RELN.